Yeah, g'day there viewers, how's all going? We're back here, we're working on Maxi. We've got the 6-inch lift done in the back. I gone down and put Prado springs in there to lift the back up. How good does it look? That is literally the gap that it's got now. Got a young lad that's gonna donate me some 33-inch tyres, I think they are, which is probably gonna be good because I don't have much room here. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to cut that guard out just to get the 33s in there, let alone a set of bloody 35s. Anyway, late night last night, got Maxi stuck on the hoist. I'm here at work early this morning, got all the strut tower out. This is my plan. I've got the top of the strut towers out of tomato. The plan is to put that spacer on there, weld that on there, and then do something like that. Put the spacer on top of the original strut towers, a few tacks of weld, boom, boom, boom. If you ever want to cut it off, you can cut it off, but I doubt you ever will because this is the Mad Max Fram MD truck, baby. It's going to be sick. So yeah, let's get into it. So here it is. We've got the spacers up in there. And it's all bolted on, welded on. It's I adjusted the toe, the camber, so that it should sit straight. By the time the weight comes on it, it should sit straight and we should be schmick. We'll see how we go. You know you're having a good day when you've got smoke pouring out the top of your car. Hey, not bad, thanks. Copy. It's glued. Check it out. Well, it sits level. Now let's take it for a drive and see what happens. What do you reckon, Stu?
I'd restrain the rear diff first, otherwise you might end up with the arse overtaking you heading forward.
What do you mean restrain it?
Shocks, because if...
Oh, shockies. Yes.
If it gets into a...
Here we go. The old ute. He's had a bit of a stretch. He's a bit high.
I think he's lost his range. Hey, have you guys ever seen a Commodore with a 6-inch lift kit? Yeah, copy. Boss man's impressed. Oh, Maxi, you are looking good, baby. Yeah. Go pick up some 33s this afternoon. Sick. I'm really doubtful 35s are going to fit. As it is, I think the 33s, I'm still going to have to cut out there. I'm going to cut all that out. Oh, it's coming along nicely. So I'm just about to give Boss Man a heart attack. A lot of people won't understand what's going on here. But I've got a bit going on. Yeah. I know I'm about to wreck it. He's about to have a heart attack. Oh, yeah. Copy. That's the go, baby. So I've had this absolute legend, Aaron and Shannon, come in and they have... Check this out, baby. Hey? Click. Click. Oh, yeah. True Mad Max style, baby. Oh, sick. Righto. Where are we up to? Push buttons. You've seen the push button start. I've got the bull bar on, baby. I've got the bull bar on. Have a go at him. Look at it. Isn't it adorable? Maxi? Oi, not bad, thanks. Now, this is where we're up to. We've got the rim off with the big rim. I've ground the centre out. That's how much I've got to cut off to make it fit somewhere close. Even if I put spacers and stuff on, I'm still going to have to cut it. I've got the grinder and the hacksaw and everything's ready. I just can't bring me. I need a torch. I need a torch. We need a torch.
On the roof.
Get the 9-inch. It's getting enough for that big 9-inches. Oh, you copy. Oh, look at this go, mate. We are set. Patiently set. Oh, I killed a little Milwaukee. That's it. She's done. No more cutting. That's getting me enough. Oh, we're good. We haven't got it. Cut it more. Cut it more? Well, let's do a test fit. What do you reckon? Or just cut it more?
Just cut it.
Well, I did go to there, didn't I? So how am I going to get that, like...
Cut the outside and whack the centre.
The cut pad?
No. Just cut around the bottom.
Cut around here?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then hit it with a hammer.
And then hit it with a hammer. A big hammer?
Yeah.
Well,
Really
don't stick your feet underneath the car while it's on a jack, guys. Oh, my battery's dead. That's right. Change out, rattle gun. Let's do this, baby. Let's do this. No, you get that bit off there so I can...
cut it diagonal.
That way.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cutting involved. Mate, I'm not a panel beater, eh? I'm a smelly old mechanic. There we go. Right, need screwdrivers and hammers and stuff. Guys are so impatient. They just want to cut everything. It's on there. How good does it look? Yes, it is on there. Yes, the nuts are tight. Yes, we cut the guts out of it. Oh, haven't done the front yet. We're still working on that. But this is how much we had to cut out of it to make it happen. I was just about to do this side. Holly's getting excited. That's how much we had to cut out. That's like a good... That's the width of my phone, baby. Let's do it. Up it. Go. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, we need sparks. Yeah, there you go.
Safety.
Safety. I had my hand over my eyes, but whatever, guys. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
That was horribly wicked.